Hello YouTube, this is your boy Classic Gallery and I'm back on another video. In today's video, we are going to learn on how to whiten teeth and eye in Photoshop. Without wasting much time, let's dive into it. First of all, you go to photo filter. So under the photo filter, you go to cooling filter LBB. After selecting the cooling filter LBB on the photo filter layer, you invert it by using Command plus I on Mac and Control plus I on Windows. After inverting it, I'll select my brush tool, then hold Alt plus the scroll wheel on the mouse to zoom in and zoom out. So as you can see, I'm whitening the eye with my brush tool. In case you want to know on how I retouch this particular image, you can go back to our previous video and watch on how I retouched this image. So I'll then move to the other eye, then repeat the same process. So because we want to achieve a very good result, so the brush size has to be very small so that we will be able to brush accordingly. So I'll then move to the teeth and repeat the same process. If today happens to be your first day watching one of our tutorials, kindly like, subscribe and press on the notification bell so that you don't miss out whenever we post a new video. So at this point, our effect is too much, so we'll lower our opacity. This before and after. So I'll then select the hue and saturation and lower the saturation to a preferred amount. So without repeating the same process, so at this point you just hold Alt and drag the layer mask to the hue saturation layer in order not to repeat the same process, inverting then brushing it again. So we'll just group it by using Command plus G on Mac and Control plus G on Windows. So I'll then rename it Teeth and Eyes Whitening. So this is the before and after, before and after. So this is the end of today's tutorial. See you in the next video. Bye.